Assalamualaikum. Today let's draw a super cool and colorful laptop. It's going to be so much fun. First, we are going to draw screen part. It's like rectangle but with the corners a little bit rounded. Now for the screen, let's draw a big happy heart right in the middle. It's make our laptop extra special. Now we are going to draw the keyboard. Divides keyboard into little squares and rectangles. Just draw lines going across and then lines going down. Very good. Alright, our drawing is ready. Now for the most exciting part, coloring. For the keyboard, this is where you can be super creative. Pick all of your favorite colors: pink, purple, green, yellow, brown, orange. Color each little square with different colors like this. Green here, sky blue, red color, yellow color, and the brown color. Very good. For the main body of the laptop, the part that frames the screen and keyboard, I'm using orange color like this. Here also. Yes, very good. This side. Good job. You did it very well. For the heart itself, a beautiful red color, of course. Color the heart with red color. For the screen around the heart, I am going to use a bright blue color like this. Wow. Use orange color for the remaining part. Very good. Your colorful laptop is ready. Allah Hafiz.